Hello everyone. Now we will proceed to push the tender documents into post-contract stage. First and foremost, click on the BuildSpace logo and then go to tendering. In tendering, go to the project that we wanted to push it to post-contract, double click on it and then click push to post-contract. Over here we can see that there are check bars that we needed to complete first before we can publish this tender into post-contract. First one is at least one contractor is assigned to tender. Another one is contractor selected on tenderer setting. Once finished, click on the publish. Use selected contractor rates with or without not listed item. Over here we can see the letter of acceptance. Proceed to finish filling up the letter of acceptance. And then we can so choose to include VO for the retention sum or not, and also the material on site. If we so choose to have it included as well, proceed to tick or untick on the include material on site. Click save, and then we can see the button push to post contract appears to be grey. So we click on the BuildSpace logo, click on the post contract, and in post contract we can see the project that we working on is on the top over here. So straight away double click on the project and then we will be greeted with this new interface. So now we need to perform a claim for this specific project. What we're going to do first is we click on the claim certificate and click activate claim certificates. Fill in the details and then click save. Now we can see the status for claim certificate 1 in progress, and also if we click on the claim certificate list, we can see the status here is in progress and also the amount certified is still empty. So go back to the project breakdown and in here go into the bill, and in bill double click on the unit, and then inside here we can see the column for up-to-date claim is available for us to fill. We can fill here straight away on the elements list. Take for example, we go into frame, and in frame we would do percentage claim for columns. Take for example, it's already completed for 10%. And then the beam also for 10%. Now we can see the system automatically calculated the amount based on the percentage that we entered earlier. We can also do the claim based on the amount. Take for example over here, we already finished the job at 5,000 ringgit. And then it automatically calculated it to be 28.57%. And then if we go back to the element list, we can see the elements is automatically updated with the percentage. We can also perform the claim over here. Take for example for concrete work, I've entered finish in 20%. So it's automatically calculated the amount similar to the one if we go into the item stage. Okay, take for example we completed the claim for this particular bill, go to the project breakdown and then click reload. We can see the overall total against the amount for this particular claim. So if we go to the claim certificate, click reload, we can see the amount certified is indicated over here. So double click on the bill and then click on the claim certificate print info. We can see the details of the claim available for us to see, and also we can print this particular certificate for our reference. Once satisfied with the claim, we can straight away click on the approve button over here. If we have a remark, we can type in here. If no, straight away click on the approve button. So now we have the claim number 1 is approved with amount 10,295 ringgit and 37 cents. So here we can annotate the paid amount from the client side. Take for example over here, it's already been paid for 10,000 for this first payment, and then finish with the 295 ringgit 37 cents. Push enter. So click close. You can see the paid amount similar to the amount certified.